So you just got your windshield replaced and now you're being told you need a calibration. What is a calibration? Why is it important? And why could getting one mean the difference between a life or death situation? Let me tell you. Windshields are getting smarter by the day. They can work to keep you in your lane, they can adjust your speed, they can stop you from hitting trees, and soon they will take over the world. Just kidding, I think. But their job has definitely evolved past bug splat protector over the years, which means that windshield replacements have evolved as well. Many vehicles now come with an assortment of ADAS technologies, which stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Try saying that 5 times fast. Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Did you know that the harder a phrase is to say, the more important it is? So listen up. These features are often located on the windshield, which means anytime a new windshield is installed, these sensors must be recalibrated to ensure they continue to work properly and keep you safe on the road. Don't you want to keep safe on the road? Why wouldn't you want to keep safe on the road? I love being safe on the road. If you want to be safe on the road, keep watching. So, what is a calibration? ADAS calibration is the process of adjusting and fine-tuning the cameras and sensors on these safety features to ensure they are correctly aligned with the vehicle's specification. This allows features such as lane keep assist and collision mitigation to continue working, which, if you ask me, is exactly what you would want from your safety features, for them to work. So to accomplish this, there's 3 types of calibration you might require: static, dynamic, or a mixture of both. Static recalibration is used in a controlled environment using stationary targets and specialized equipment. Dynamic recalibration involves taking your car out on the road, testing out a specific range of movements and driving conditions. Some vehicles only require one of these tests, while others require both. The type of calibration required for your vehicle is determined by the manufacturer. So sadly, you don't get to pick which one you get. But if you did, which one would you choose? Tell us in the comments below. Personally, I would pick static. Look at those cool targets. So why is calibration important, and what happens if I don't calibrate my windshield? An improper calibration, or neglecting to receive one at all, could lead to inaccurate warnings, system failures, false positives, or a complete malfunction, which, if you ask me, is exactly what you don't want from your safety features. A complete malfunction. At best, your car could turn into a backseat driver that warns you of all the wrong things. At worst, well, life or death situation. Life or death situation.
Life or death situation.
Without a proper calibration, your safety features could actually end up putting you in danger. It could pull you into oncoming traffic, or it could apply the brakes suddenly, causing a collision with the car behind you. This is why it's important to not only get your windshield calibrated, but to book it in somewhere that you can trust. So you might be wondering, do all auto glass companies provide windshield calibrations? While all auto glass companies should be providing this service, unfortunately, some companies that claim to perform calibrations simply do not. They may even charge for calibrations and just skip the step if no errors pop up, which is not only lying and lazy, but dangerous. Very dangerous. At Windshield Surgeons, we ensure that every calibration is not only performed, but done to exact standards to ensure your safety. Every calibration that we perform has a transparent diagnostic and calibration report that our customers are welcome to view. So, after all this, the question remains, should I get a windshield calibration? Well, if you just got your windshield replaced and your vehicle comes with any ADAS features at all, then the answer to this question is a resounding 100% confident yes. Listen, when I hurl my body down the road at 100 kilometers per hour, safety features are pretty important, especially safety features that work. So it's our important job to make sure your safety features are doing their important job so you can do your important job, which is to drive safely on the road. Have any more questions about ADAS features or calibrations? Leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. Repair, replacement, and recalibration. Whatever your auto glass needs might be, we can help.